Hey there! Showing this to you in the sunlight because in the shade you won't be able to see these amazing colors. This is Labradorite. I absolutely love it. I woke up and knew I wanted to work with Labradorite this morning. So on my walk I didn't feel like it. I really didn't want to go on my walk this morning because I needed extra sleep, so I slept in for a half hour. Okay, so now you can see it a little more clearly. Now it's cooperating. Interesting. Blue flash Labradorite. There's also gold flash. Come on, guy. Do it this way. Gold flash and some purple. I have some of each. This one is my palm stone and the others are still packed away in my warehouse. Oh gosh, look at that. The first time I ever saw Labradorite, I was mesmerized by the different colors and the flash. Sure, you can see them, the flashes of color, when they are completely natural and not polished. When these are polished, oh my gosh. So that that's part of the message that I've just been waiting for to connect with you. And I thought, well, I'll just get started and see what comes. So there's unlimited potential and opportunities just below the surface. Just below the surface of what? Do I have to polish myself? Well, maybe, kinda. Your energy, your thoughts, your beliefs. Not just your mental beliefs, not just the intellectual beliefs, but also with your heart. And then connect that with your soul belief. Way, like just, everything. Well, working on it myself. I think that's a continual process. Anyway, so below the surface, just, polishing some of the edges of your projects, your thoughts, your energy, your experiences, where you are, where you aren't yet, and be willing to realize and accept that there really are unlimited opportunities and your potential truly is unlimited. There are no limits. What they say, the sky's the limit. How about the universe? How about going beyond universal dreams, your universal dreams, your dreams for your universe, whatever you're working on, whatever you're letting go. Maybe you're even helping others to, the word I just got was increase their universe. What do I mean by that? Well, sometimes, I walk in the mornings and I do different routes. And when I walk, there are routes that I see the same person with the same dog or the same person just by themselves walking the exact same way they do every day. What can you do just a little bit differently to increase, to step beyond, and never mind the bugs. Soon it will be fall and they'll be gone. What can you do, even just one little thing, to change, to step out beyond? See you later, beautiful soul.